The Amazon affiliate website is almost ready. Now, few things we need to do before applying to Amazon Associate program, like we can create some mandatory pages, privacy policy, terms and conditions, and contact page. So here I am guiding you how you can create contact page, and then after learning the contact page creation, you can create the content for privacy policy and terms and conditions page. The entire process is going to be very easy, and this is 100% beginner friendly. So let's go ahead and create the contact page first. So from your WordPress dashboard, hover on pages and then click on add new. Now in the title box, put the page name contact. Here we can see backend editor and frontend editor. So just click on backend editor and this panel will appear. Now first element we have to add. So click on add element. And here we have row. Remember, the entire website can be designed in the form of rows. So we have a full width row. It means whatever the content we will put, that will appear in the entire area. So in this row I am going to add Google Map. So in order to get the Google Map, simply open the website maps.google.com. This is just for your demonstration purpose. So I'm just adding my business Google Map into the website. Like this, Websoft Global IT Services. So it appears over here. Now if you want to embed this map into the contact page, you can see this little 3 lines. Click on it. Then go to share and embed map. Here we have send a link and embed a map. Click on embed a map. Click on copy HTML. So this code has been copied. Now let's go back to our contact page backend area. Click on this plus so that we can add an element. Now we have to add this text block. There are so many elements available. You can use them, and these are just for your practice purpose. So I'm just going to use text block because whatever the HTML content you would like to paste or shortcodes, everything can be pasted in this text block area. So go to this text one over here, then just paste the code that we have copied from there. So this is the Google Map code. Now here you can see the parameters: width 600 pixel, height 450 pixel. If no unit has been written, it means it is in pixels. So we can set the width as 100%. So the width will be adjusted as per the container width, and height is fine, 450 pixel. Click on save and then publish. Now let's go ahead, open this contact page into a new tab and see how the Google Map looks like. So here we go. The Google Map looks something like this, but we haven't disabled the sidebar. So let's go back to the contact backend page once again. From the bottom, under this main area content layout, we can set it as full width and then update. Now let's refresh our contact page once again. Here we go. So sidebar has been removed. Now let's go ahead and remove this page title bar section as well. So go back to the backend. At the bottom, we can see title. Just click on it, make it disable. Go to breadcrumbs and make it disable, and then update. Now let's go ahead and refresh our contact page once again. Here we go. So we can see the page title bar has been removed. Now just below this Google Map, in this half portion, we'll be putting some contact details like address, phone number and email address. And in the remaining half portion, we will embed a contact form. So let's go back to the contact page backend. Now our first step is we can create a contact form. So in order to create a contact form, here you can see WP Forms. This is a plugin through which we can create a contact form by just drag and drop interface, and then after we will embed that contact form into this area over here. So I'm just going to open the WP Forms panel and we'll be creating a new contact form. So in the form field, you just need to put the contact name like contact form. This is just for your reference, and then after click on create a blank form. Alright, so the right panel is basically the contact form designer, and on the left hand side we can see there are predefined fields available. As this is a free plugin, so few of the premium fields have been deactivated, but that's not a problem. Even we can create a great form with the help of these free available predefined fields. So in order to add the name, you can simply just drag and drop this name field on the right hand side in this way. So we can see the name field has been available over here. Now let's drag and drop the email. So just below it we can drag and drop email field. Now for embedding the phone number, we can simply use single line text. Just drop it below the email field, and at last we can put the message box over here. So that is basically the paragraph text field like this. Now let's edit these fields one by one. So click on this, click to edit, and on the left hand side these settings will be opened. So from this you can change the label, like you can put your name over here. So it appears on the right hand side. These are basically called the sub labels. So in order to hide these sub labels, just close this tab and open the advanced option tab, and here we can see hide sub labels. Just check it. We need to do one more setting, like whenever someone fill up this form, on what email address these all details will be sent to. So in order to set the notifications, go to the settings, and here we can see general tab, notifications tab and confirmation tab. Go to notifications, and here send to email address. So either you can just keep this tag as it is, or you can put your email address, something like. In the same way, you can edit few more fields like email subject, from name. So here can be your website name, like. So in this way you can edit these notification fields. At last, click on this save, and our form is ready. Now click on this cross and we'll be getting a short code. So here we go, this is the short code of this entire form. We can simply copy this short code. This is basically a code, and wherever you will put this code, the entire form will be displayed at that location. So let's go back to the contact page backend. Now click on this plus and we'll be adding one more row. So here the row is, just click on it. Now we need this row to be divided into two columns. So hover on it, and here we can see the second option is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So in this way you can divide the row into columns. Now click on this plus, and here we have text block. Just click on it. Now go to this text tab, delete all this stuff and paste that short code. That's it, and save changes. So that's all you had to do to display the contact form in this specified area on the front end. Now let's add contact details. So click on this plus again, add the text block, delete all this stuff and just put your details. If you want to format these text, simply just select them and bold it in the same way like this, and then bold it. If you want to make this email address clickable, just select it. Here you can see this icon, insert or edit link. Click on it and then apply. Now save it. Now click on update. So that's all you had to do from the backend panel. And let's go ahead to the front page of the contact and we can refresh it. Here we go. So now we can see the contact details have been appearing over here, and the contact form is also embedded successfully. So this is the way how you can use content into the WordPress website. And now your assignment is to complete the pages of privacy policy and terms and conditions by using WP Bakery Page Builder. Thank you very much.